Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by opening Settings and navigating to Time and Language to access the system clock controls. You do this because automatic detection can block manual selection. Once done, toggle off Set Time Zone automatically so the zone dropdown is editable. Make sure you have admin rights if prompted. Without them, some changes revert. This first step unlocks the controls you need and prevents the OS from immediately overriding your manual choice, which is why we disable automatic mode before picking a zone. Next, use the time zone dropdown to select the correct zone, choose the nearest major city or the correct UTC offset to match local time. You should enable Adjust for Daylight Saving Time automatically if your region observes DST. This keeps the clock correct through seasonal changes. After selecting, check the displayed clock and calendar to ensure the time updated. If it didn't, you may need to click Sync Now or restart the Settings app. These checks prevent unnoticed mismatches. Finally, click Sync Now to force the system to update the time from the Internet Time Server and confirm the zone change. If the clock remains incorrect, restart Windows or sign out and back and so services reload. That often resolves lingering permission or cache issues. If problems persist, verify the Windows Time Service is running and that your chosen Internet Time Server is reachable, since a stopped service or blocked NTP can prevent synchronization. This completes the process, and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.